AI is continually making promises to be able to generate videos from a written script. I'll review VideoGen to see how it performs. The concept is that you write a script, and VideoGen provides the images. Does it do it by generating images or searching for real scenes to fit your story? You'll see as we progress. The homepage shows previously produced projects, plus the Generate Video button, which shows a page of templates, some free and others that are part of the business or pro plans. I'll select the dramatic theme to suit my murder mystery thriller. The interface is clear, showing a section to place your words, either typed or imported. Select your language and option of words. I'll use the medium choice to suit the text I've entered. Press Generate Script. I've allowed this to run in real time, so you can see how long it takes to create the 300-word script from my few words. You can review the text and make changes. I'll remove the word side. Now select a voice to read the script. I'll choose Harold.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start.
You'll see he appears below the script as the AI narrator. Next, press Continue, where you will be able to select the aspect ratio for the video. I've selected Landscape. Now choose how fast the scenes will change. I thought I'd change it every 10 to 20 words, but opted to switch back to every 5-10 words. Now Generate Video. This is again shown in real time. Until the video appears. I'll play it.
The sun dances upon the water, a dazzling display that mocks my very being as I race along this winding road, my heart pounding like the engine beneath me. Here I am, dressed to the nines in a tailored suit that screams sophistication, yet I feel like an imposter in my own skin. The wedding of Vinci and Vittoria, an event dripping with love and laughter, while I am but a shadow, a ghost haunting the edges of their joy. My family's motto echoes in my mind, the art of looking casually stylish. Oh, the irony. I am a master of appearances, yet inside I am a tempest, a cacophony of emotions swirling violently.
That's enough to give you the idea. At any time, you can scroll through the video. You can download the video or select the back button to go home to review other projects. I'll select a previous project behind the scenes. On viewing the previous projects using the same text, you can see that some of the same scenes have been shown again.
What is this life? This relentless pursuit of perfection? This masquerade we all wear? As I tear down Via Garibaldi, the sunlight glistening off the lake, I feel like my life long. What perfect son, the perfect man.
I'm impressed that it did find a real scene of Castiglione del Lago. Let's generate a new version. This time, I'll select the blank template. I'm using the same text as previously. I'll again select 300 words and generate the script. I'll fast forward this time, as you have seen how long it takes. This time I'll select Winston.
Welcome to the future of video.
Then continue and select the 10-20 word break. Generate video. Fast forward again.
The choices I've made. As I speed along Via Garibaldi, my Maserati Indy slices through the air, a sleek embodiment of my ambition.
I'll try again, but this time with just a few words of a plot using the professional template, and see what script is produced with 600 words. I'll let this play in real time so you can see that it barely takes and longer than the 300-word script generation. These are some of the different narrators you can choose from. I'll select Sophia. Select Slow for a scene change every 15 to 30 words. Again, a real-time generation of the video.
The driver, the very same man who had saved my life back in 2001, in Rome. I remember that day vividly, as if it were etched in my memory in bold letters. The atmosphere was electric, charged with tension as rival political factions clashed in a chaotic dance of ideology and fervor. It was a rally, a show of strength, and the streets were alive with voices shouting, banners waving, and the palpable sense of something about to explode.
I'll stop here and show options like being able to resize the aspect ratio, captions, voice, and music. So, what do I think of VideoGen? I think it's really good for finding images to add to your own video footage. I don't think I would use it to produce a complete video production. It's great for generating a script from just a few plot words. What you will not know is that the actual script for the video you are viewing has been read by the Australian-voiced VideoGen narrator, Stuart. I hope you have learned something from this review. Look out for more reviews by subscribing and pressing the bell. Thanks for watching.